Welcome back to the Locus Home Therapy Program educational series. Today we'll look at the intermediate level program for improving tactile sensitivity in children aged 6 to 8 years. At this stage, the aim is to gently widen your child's comfort with different textures. Keep activities short, around 5 to 10 minutes, and always stop before your child becomes overwhelmed. Let's begin with textured play. Introduce dry textures such as rice, pasta, lentils, or sand. Later, you can try softer or messier textures. Start with tools. Let your child use spoons, cups, containers, or toy cars to explore without needing to touch the material directly. Then invite a very small touch. You might ask, "Can you make a little line in the rice with one finger?" Let your child decide whether to use their whole hand, fingertips, or just the tools. Always keep a towel, wipes, or clean water nearby. Knowing they can clean their hands quickly can make exploration feel safer. Our second activity is clay or Play-Doh. If your child is unsure about touching it, begin with a rolling pin, cutter, or spoon. As they become comfortable, encourage more hand contact. They might roll one ball, pinch the dough, or make simple shapes. Start with firmer, less sticky dough. Later, you can gradually introduce softer or slightly stickier textures. Keep the activity playful and finish while your child is still comfortable. Our third activity is painting. Begin with brushes, sponges, or stampers so your child can enjoy painting without touching the paint. When they're ready, invite one small fingerprint or a short line drawn with a finger. Keep the experience predictable. You might say, first we paint, then we wipe our hands, then we wash. An apron and a covered table also create clear boundaries for where the mess is allowed. As confidence grows, your child can try mixing colours with their fingers or making simple handprints. Remember, the goal isn't to force your child to tolerate messy textures. It's to gradually expand their comfort through safe, predictable, and enjoyable experiences. Let your child stay in control, take small steps, and praise every brave attempt. Return to the Locus Therapy app to continue your child's personalized program.